This video provides an overview of ZEISS arivis Pro so you can get started in under 3 minutes. To open a file, click File, Open. arivis Pro natively supports both SIS and CZI files. Click File and Import to import any dataset collected on a non-ZEISS microscope or other imaging device. arivis Pro supports many file formats. For this demonstration, let's click and drag a CZI file to the application, which shows the image right away on the main panel. The right side panel has controls for you to navigate the dataset. You can turn specific channels on and off and use the slider to go through the Z stack slice by slice. And for time series datasets, an additional slider will show up right here. You can adjust the brightness and contrast and gamma for each channel to customize the visualization. The bottom panel, the bottom right panel, displays the key metadata associated with the dataset. Since this is a Z stack, let's click the 4D viewer icon at the bottom to switch the view to 3D. And an additional panel shows up at the bottom right, which allows you to adjust the opacity of this 3D visualization. To learn more about various arivis Pro features, click Help at the top and Manuals, where you can find in-depth manuals on various topics, including the basics, analysis, and how-to guides to perform various tasks. Let's select how to detect cells using cell pose-based segmenter. And this opens up a PDF manual with all the instructions. Here, the manual recommends a cell pose-based operator for this task. And these how-to guides also come with links to download demo data. So we recommend you to find the most appropriate how-to manual for your task to get easily started. Now that the dataset is open, let's actually have a quick introduction to analysis side of it. Click the flask icon at the top that opens up the analysis panel on the left-hand side. And you can create a new image analysis pipeline or explore by loading a sample pipeline. You can run the pipeline step by step or run the full analysis. You can also import a preconfigured pipeline that you created at an earlier time or that someone else shared with you. Now you're ready to explore arivis Pro, and please contact us if you have any additional questions or need any additional support. Thank you.